And thank you again for watching here at the National Gear Repair. Right now we're going to be doing our full reassembly on our gearboxes. As you can see, our shaft areas was rebuilt with tungsten carbide and reground. Also straightened out from about 18 thousandths of shaft flex to 0.01.02. We're now doing assembly. We begin to use liquid nitrogen to shrink our shafts and install our bearings. All bearing floats and preloads will be assembled to OEM specifications. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you for visiting National Gear Repair. Here we have a Tadler gearbox we did a full rebuild on. Upon arrival, we took it apart, inspected everything, new bearings, new seals, relapped all gearing, reassembled, and test. Thank you for visiting National Gear Repair. Have a great day.